Imagine you encounter a peculiar problem while working on a PowerShell script. The problem arises when you try to add a type that references another in-memory type without success. A specific error message pops up, indicating that the value cannot be an empty string, leaving you puzzled as the referenced assembly only exists in memory. You wonder if there is a way to add a type that references an in-memory only type. Now, let's delve into the solution presented to address this scenario. In PowerShell Core 7.4.x, it's established that while the referenced assemblies parameter of add type does accept system reflection assembly instances, these are only recognized if they represent an on-disk assembly with a file system path. Due to the in-memory nature of assemblies created by add type definition, they cannot be used as arguments in later add type calls that require referenced assemblies. The current constraint appears to be enforced by PowerShell itself, not by the underlying .NET type implementing the C# compiler. Therefore, until a potential enhancement in a future PowerShell version, the workaround involves generating on-disk assemblies for types that need to be referenced in subsequent add type calls. To implement this workaround effectively, a meticulous process is required. From ensuring the on-disk assembly is created without conflicts to handling its removal post-usage, the steps can be quite intricate. Despite the workaround's cumbersome nature, it provides a viable solution within the current PowerShell environment. In conclusion, navigating the intricacies of PowerShell scripting, especially when dealing with in-memory types and referenced assemblies, can present unique challenges. By understanding the constraints and employing workarounds like creating on-disk assemblies, you can overcome such obstacles effectively. Remember, persistence and creativity are key when tackling scripting intricacies. Good luck with your PowerShell endeavors, and until next time, happy scripting. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a witty comment below.